So we're finally gonna remove the bumper guards for having it over a year now. They're pretty much faded. I might put them back on, but I have to repaint them. And then we're gonna come over here and add the YouTube name somewhere up there or down here. I don't know where at though. And I forgot to mention that I use steel wool with glass cleaner. It gets rid of a lot of debris in the window. All those water fucking spots and stuff that be getting left behind gets cleaned up real good with steel wool, fine grit. Finally able to put it on. It's kind of hard doing it by yourself, but it's flush in there. And then I'll show you guys what the bumper looks like a year after not removing the bumper guards. I bet you my paint's probably chipped off. We'll find out in a little bit. So this is what you get without no bumper guards, but it's just the metal. We're gonna see what it looks like. Okay. A year later, let's see. Oh my god. Let's see, let's spray it a little bit, see what it looks like. Hopefully it's not super bad. Ooh. Yeah. I suggest you guys take off your bumper guards right away. This is me having it after a whole year. So that means I might have to just paint this again yellow and put that back in. Make sure you guys get rid of your bumper guards. If not, that's gonna happen. This is of having it over a year. I still gotta see what that looks like. There you have it. Make sure you guys take that off. And now you're gonna be left with that. Might as well just put a splitter. Man.